trying to.
No, you weren't.
Yes, you were. You put all your fat weight on the damn door.
Leave me alone.
Do you know what's wrong with her?
You're gonna get the neighbors over here, and if you do,
I didn't do anything.
alright, buddy.
Here's Sparky.
Your turn.
Go back outside.
No.
You're looking for any excuse to come inside.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I want to be left in here. I told her I wanted to stay in the house.
But why?
Because I don't want to go outside.
Is it because you're suffering from nerd disease?
No, I don't want to go outside.
And you're allergic to the sun like all the other
No, I'm not.
nerds?
It's too hot out there.
Like all the other nerds.
It's too hot. I
Like
don't
all
feel
the other
good.
nerds. Like all the other nerds.
Leave me alone.
Oh my God.
You won't leave me alone. I was sitting out there just fine and you came out there and started teasing me. I didn't even say anything at all. I was just sitting out there. And you were teasing me. Go away. Go in the pool, stupid dog. You wanted the pool so much now.
The whole week of activities that you are punished by. The whole week.
I don't care. I don't care.
That's what you did. Get it right back.
I don't care. I don't give a shit. Everyone wants to start. I asked you if I could stay in the house. I wanted to stay in the house.
Bless you.
Why?
I went out hollering and screaming. Oh, you're the only one hollering and screaming.
No, he was in the house teasing me. Didn't you hear him? I was just sitting out here. I didn't even do anything, and he's screaming it out there. He's teasing me in the house. So it's not me. And then he locked your door when I was trying to get in and get this.
You're disturbing the peace. You can get in trouble for that. Do you realize that? Look at me.
Yeah,
Look at me.
I know.
If they call the police, you can get in big time trouble. It's called disturbing the police. Disturbing the peace, God.
It's called disturbing the peace, and I've already got 5 tickets for that. So.
Did you hear what she just said?
Hmm?
She said that she's louder than you.
Yeah, that's good.
You're louder than everyone combined.
See, he's gonna tease me again. Look, they're teasing me again.
Okay, just keep fighting. Don't worry about it. My turn?
Go in the pool.